everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Devine, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a reverse fishtail braid. This is a super simple braid, and if you don't know how to do the basic fishtail braid, I have a video on that as well.
To start off, you're going to divide your hair into two sections, and then you're going to take a small piece from the outside and you're going to cross it underneath that section, and then you're going to go to the other side and do the same thing. Take a small piece from the outside, cross it underneath, and you're going to keep repeating this process. I know it's a little bit harder to see in this video because I am crossing the hair underneath, but if you've seen my video on how to fishtail braid, it's the same concept. It's just in reverse. With the reverse fishtail braid, you cross the sections underneath opposed to over. So if you're watching this and you're not quite getting it, check out my video on how to fishtail braid and then just do the opposite. It's super simple. I like this braid because it gives a nice little twist on the fishtail braid. It makes it look a little more unique while it's still the same simple concept. So definitely give it a try. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. I hope this video helps you out. And if it did, please like and subscribe for more upcoming videos.